Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to gift games on Steam. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to identify the game that we want to give to someone. Let's say that we want to give this game to someone. And now click on Add to Cart. After clicking Add to Cart, we have the options here for my account private, or this is a gift. For this instance or for this tutorial, click on this is a gift. Now view my cart. After looking at my cart, as you can see here, this game that is labeled or categorized as this is a gift is in our shopping cart. And now what we need to do here is to continue to gift options. And now click on select gift receipt. After that, we need to look for the game or look for the person for us to give the game to. Let's say this one. And after that, we can send a message, schedule for delivery. Let's say there is a special time, date, or occasion. And from there, the next option that we need to do, or next option for us to do, is to continue to payment. First, or lastly, what we need to do here is to confirm or to have the funds for us to buy that game in order for that game to be gifted to that person. And now we have the options here, payment options. Simply click on the payment options that we want, and from there simply click on continue. And after that, you need to agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement and click on continue in this particular section here. And after that, the game will be gifted to that particular person or particular user. So that's how you gift games on Steam. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.